Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to create a stepper report by using a report wizard in SQL Server. So now for that I have a table like student information table in which I have a three columns like student ID, student name and student branch. But in this stepper report what I need is depending upon the branch like branch how many students and who are all the students are there in that particular branch. I want the report accordingly. So this is the report how I need, like for EIE branch how many students, like what is the student ID and student name, and this IT what is the student IDs and student name. Like this is what the step report is. Like student branch will become a single under which all the data will be present depending on which those students are there in that particular branch. Like that here the report is created. This report is called as a step report. For that what I need to do is I am going to create a new project, and that will be my report server project wizard. And the next thing, so here what I will give is stepped report 1. So this is the report name. This will be our project name and the create and it is created. So here what is the data source, from which data source that we are going to get that report. For that I am going to create a new data source like data source 1. In this I am going to click edit and I am going to copy and paste my server name. So my server name will be, I'm copying this server name and I'm going to paste here the server name. And as mine is an SQL Server authentication, I'm going to give user ID and password, and I'm going to select the database. So here this is how this database is connected for that particular thing. And again, okay, and here I have to write a query. What I'm going to write a query is, this is the query, like say I'm going to select all the data from this student information table and I'm going to paste over here. So next, here it's going to be a tabular or matrix. Here I am going to do only the tabular right now. So it's a tabular. And now what I am going to do is in the group, like here you can see this is a group and this is the data. So what I am going to do, I am going to group each like this data, like student branch. Each student branch will be the data, and then how what are the variables which we want, those and all we'll be getting here in the details. Here you can see this what highlighting. So the next thing, next it's I'm going to select the step 1. So next step and preview report select, and now if it is shown as a, we'll get an report accordingly what is a step report. So first if you go for view report, see this is loan. See here we can get the particular EIE. These are the student IDs and student name. So if you want to align that and all, we in this branch if we come and we can select this one. See first in step report first row will be vacant for that particular one, and again the next row the student ID and student name will be there. Here I am going to change this some text properties, like if you want that alignment, like I want the alignment to be center, and here also middle. So like that we can select and we can add the colors or something whatever we want in this per text properties we can do. So now I am going to select only all those things in the center only. So each column and each row we have to set this one, like a what is the alignment and what is the font, what is the type of that font, like that we can select that one. So now what I have done is I have done some changes in this particular things. Okay, now if you go and see the preview, the changes will be seen over here. This is how a simple step report is created. See, we can see this and all. Now it has come to the middle and this has come to the right alignment only. This is how a simple step report, that is like like each one according to that branch, what are who are all the students names are there, and their particular IDs are shown here. We are not repeating the what is this, we are grouping all those details. So this is how the report is created, and this is the simple step report that I have explained here. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.